So, you have a presentation to make, but you are not certain if you should use Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides. Well, do not worry much, because you are not alone, and that is all the reason why we are making this video. Without taking too much of your time, let us dive in immediately. Please subscribe or follow if you have not. PowerPoint and Google Slides are two popular presentation software programs. However, PowerPoint has many features that make it better than Slides. This video will provide an introduction to PowerPoint and Google Slides and help you decide which program is best for your presentation. MS PowerPoint versus Google Slides. Let's take it one at a time. Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is an essential tool for anyone working in the business world. It allows you to create a wide variety of presentations that can be used to communicate information to a variety of audiences. PowerPoint also has a number of features that allow you to create sophisticated presentations. Google Slides. Google Slides is a presentation software developed by Google. It allows users to create and edit slideshows, which can be shared with others. Slides can be edited in a number of ways, including using a mouse or keyboard, and can be embedded in websites or documents. Now the comparison. 1. Affordability. Google Slides is a part of Google Docs, and is completely free to use. PowerPoint is a component of the Microsoft Office suite. As a result, in order to use it, you need a Microsoft Office license. Annual packages begin at $70. 2. Accessibility. Google Slides does not require any installation in order to function, because it is a cloud-based software. In contrast, PowerPoint requires the Microsoft Office program to be installed on your computer in order to function. 3. Offline performance. Google Slides has an offline mode available. All you have to do is enable this option when online. PowerPoint was created to be used on a computer. It does not require an internet connection to function effectively once downloaded and installed. 4. Backups and storage. Google Slides saves all data to the cloud-based storage service known as Google Drive. This means you won't have to press save every time, unless you have an Office 365 subscription. PowerPoint does not offer automatic saves. 5. Teamwork. Google Slides enables you and your team members to collaborate in real time. You may discuss, remark, and make changes to your presentation while it is being created. All modifications are immediately visible to the rest of the team. PowerPoint does not always allow for collaboration. To collaborate on a PowerPoint presentation, you and your team members must have PowerPoint 2010 or later and save your file to OneDrive. 6. Special effects. Google Slides has fewer basic animations and transitions than its competitor PowerPoint. In comparison, PowerPoint is a more complex software with many more functions and special effects. 7. Already made templates. Google Slides includes a collection of pre-made basic templates that you may tweak and customize to your own. Moreover, the internet is rich with ready-made layouts that you may utilize. PowerPoint also comes with a library of ready-to-use templates for a variety of uses. When it comes to template diversity, PowerPoint surely takes the lead with its hundreds of bespoke templates and visual components. 8. Embedding. Google lets you embed videos from your Google Drive or YouTube, but not audio files. The advantage of embedding movies in Google Slides is that it's simple, and that you don't need to worry about having the appropriate codecs installed, because everything happens in the cloud. PowerPoint allows for the free embedding of audio and video assets. You may include any sort of visuals, animations, and even your own drawings when it comes to images. One of the most useful features of PowerPoint is its ability to allow you to create slides with a wide range of content. This allows you to easily create presentations that are tailored to the specific needs of your audience. You can also use PowerPoint to create presentations that are visually striking. This makes it an ideal tool for communicating information to a wide range of audiences. In conclusion, both PowerPoint and Google Slides can be used to create great presentations. However, PowerPoint has many features that make it better than a presentation tool. But if collaboration matters to you, and your team have strong internet connections, you can go with Google Slides. Please check the related comparison of Microsoft Excel and Google Slides links in the description box below. And if you have questions regarding this topic or any other topic related to a presentation, please drop them in the comment section below, and we shall attend to them. Kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, and also like this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep learning.